Morning everybody, Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here from Mr. Topstep with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Sorry about no webcast yesterday everybody. YouTube and I were not getting along at all as far as posting it goes, and I think we've got that fixed today, so it shouldn't be a problem. So yesterday we made a new high, 1408. Sold off a little bit into the close, but nothing too serious. Now Europe sold the open, rallied it up to the daily pivot right around 1402, and then traded down straight down to 1395. We found a little bit of support down at that level, and the current trade is 1396.25. So right now we're down about 0.5%, 7.5 handles, and it's about 7:40 when I'm recording this East Coast time. What does this mean for the bears? Is this a top? I doubt it. I mean, you know, we're seeing these highs, but they're really not on a lot of volume, a lot of tick volume. And until we see some ticks, until we see some froth and some blood, I don't think we're going to reach the ultimate high. Now that said, we have come up, you know, nearly 70 handles in 5 days, and it's just too much. And you know, people need to take profits, and they need to work that back off. So a move back down to the 20-day moving average, you know, right around 1374, is not out of the realm of reality. The bears really haven't done much until they get below 88, 82, and then down to 77. If they can close below 77, you know, in the next couple days, then you can really start to see the daily chart turn over, and this can start to look like something that could turn into some kind of an actual pullback. But we were saying this before, and all we did was go down and bounce off the lower Bollinger Band, and that was enough to work off enough of the overbought condition to go back up and make new highs. We could absolutely do something like that again. The 45-day pivot is 1364.5. So, you know, right now, you know, as far as peak price from yesterday, you know, we're still not even 50 handles up off of the 45-day pivot. So from my pivot perspective, we're not overbought, and we're certainly not overbought at 1396.75, which is where we are now. So, you know, trade what you see. You know, use stops. If you want to be long, you can do that. Just, you know, buy the dips, and you can hold it, you know, multi-day. I still have my swing short on. I added to it yesterday at 1403.5. I really wish I would have added to it again, you know, up in the 1407, 1408 area. But, you know, you're never going to top ticket, and you're never going to bottom ticket. So we'll just, you know, we'll see how that turns out as time goes on. But this is a longer term position for me, and it does not affect what I do intraday, long or short. So you've got to be able to compartmentalize your trading that way. And, you know, you can make money long and short while you're waiting for a longer term position to materialize and make money with that. So, you know, trade what you see, but also, you know, have a plan, you know, beyond the next 10 minutes, and, you know, use some of your capital to do that. Let's do support and resistance. 1396.5 is a current trade. On the upside, you've got 3-day pivot 1399, daily pivot 1401.92, which matches the lower high in the Globex. 1404, 1408 the current high, 1410, 1416, and 1424. On the downside, 1391, 1389.75, 1384 half, 1383 half, 1378, and 1374. So everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader from Mr. Topstep. Trade them well, everybody. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Great day.